10 years, a lot can happen in those years. Looking back, nothing remained the same. Pero hindi lang 10 taon ang pinag-uusapan natin. Because as far as I can remember, bata pa lang ako, simula na akong mangarap to become a performer. This young boy, born and raised in Canada, merong malaking pangarap to conquer the stage.